Good day everyone, this is Cheezel, and in this video we will illustrate rational algebraic expression, evaluate rational algebraic expression, and find mixed value of the variables that makes a rational expression undefined. So first, let us define what is a rational algebraic expression. A rational expression in one variable is an expression that can be written in the form P over Q, where P and Q are polynomials. So here we have an examples. 4 all over by x minus 2, 4x all over by x squared plus 9, x squared plus 2x minus 35 all over by 3x plus 4. Now remember that your Q or the denominator should not be equal to 0. Because if our denominator is equals to 0, then this will be considered as undefined. So, how to evaluate algebraic expression? Simply by replacing the variable with a value, or ito yung tinatawag natin na substitution. When we say substitution, we are replacing the value, the variables, naglalagay tayo ng number doon na ina-assign natin. So, here we have an examples. Evaluate the expression x squared minus 4 all over by x minus 2 when x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 1. So, x squared minus 4 all over by x minus 2. So, gawin na natin itong, i-substitute natin yung 0 sa x. So, magiging 0 squared minus 4 all over by 0 minus 2. Since 0 times 0 is equals to 0, so 0 minus 4 is equals to negative 4. Then 0 minus 2 is equals to negative 2. So, isimplify na natin yung difference natin kanina. Negative 4 divided by negative 2 is equals to positive 2. So, ito na yung sagot natin sa when x is 0. So, sa when x is 1, ganun din yung gawin natin yung sa ginawa natin sa when x is 0. So, i-substitute natin yung 1 sa x. So, 1 squared minus 4 all over by 1 minus 2. So, 1 times 1 equals 1. So, 1 minus 4 is equals to negative 3. Then, 1 minus 2 is equals to negative 1. So, kung i-simplify natin ito, magiging positive 3 yung sagot natin. So, ito yung sagot natin sa when x is 1. So, as we can see, dito sa when x is 0, even 0 yung x natin, yung value ng x natin, hindi pa rin naging 0 yung denominator natin. So, itong examples natin ngayon is defined or rational algebraic expression. Example siya ng rational algebraic expression. Next, we have another example. Evaluate the expression a squared minus 2b all over by a minus b when a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2, another a is equals to 2, and b is equals to 3. So, paano naman kaya natin ito makukuha kapag dalawa na yung variables natin? Pero, nakikita nyo din naman na dalawa din yung naka-assigned na values para sa ating variables. And now, sa a squared minus 2b all over by a minus b, so, we have 1 for a, then 2 for b. So, 1 squared minus 2 times 2 all over by 1 minus 2. So, 1 times 1 is equals to 1. Then, 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Since negative yung sign natin dito sa 2 natin, so, lalagay natin dito na negative. All over by 1 minus 2. So, 1 minus 4 is equals to negative 3. 1 minus 2 is equals to negative 1. So, isi-simplify natin to. Negative 3 divided by negative 1 is equals to positive 3. So, next is when A is 2 and B is 3. So, just like the other side, isa-substitute din natin to. So, ang value of A is 2. We have 2 here for A and 3 for B. So, 2 squared minus 2 times 3 all over by 2 minus 3. So, 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Then, 2 times 3 is equals to 6. So, since negative siya, lagay natin dito na minus. So, 4 minus 6 is equals to negative 2. Then, 2 minus 3 is equals to negative 1. So, isimplify natin ito to negative 2 divided by negative 1 is equals to positive 2. So, ito yung case na kapag dalawa yung variables, so we must have two assigned values for variables also. So, sa undefined naman, paano natin malalaman yung mga values na hindi po pwedeng i-substitute sa variables para hindi siya ma-undefined? Again, if our denominator ay naging undefined, it's not considered as rational algebraic expression. And now we have an example here. To make a rational expression, x squared minus 2 all over by x minus 4 undefined, first, we'll equate the denominator to 0. So, denominator natin dito ay x minus 4. I-equate natin to 0. And x minus 4 is equals to 0. And second, to solve the variable, let's use additive inverse and add positive 4 both sides. So, this will be x is equals to 0 plus 4. So, 0 plus 4 will be positive 4. So, yung value ng x natin is 4. So, the expression x squared minus 2 all over by x minus 4 is undefined if x is replaced by 4 because the denominator would be 0. Then, let's try. 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. So, ito yung hindi natin makukonsidered na rational algebraic expression dahil yung denominator niya ay naging 0. And that's all for this video. I hope you learned something.